how to fix copying too slow in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix copying too slow in Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your services at first. So go with your search, and under search you need to search for services, and you need to open up your services under your system. And once you're under the services, now you just need to simply go and search for optimize drivers service, and make sure the service is started. So you just need to simply right click on it and then start the service. Once you've started the service, you just need to simply double click on it, and here you will have startup type. You need to go with automatic under the startup type, and then go with OK and apply that. And if this doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go with the second method, which is you need to search for turn Windows features on or off, and you'll get this kind of list right here. And after that, you need to uncheck the option, which is remote differential compression API support, and go with OK. And this might fix your problem. But if that doesn't, there is another solution, which is you just need to simply right click on your Windows and go with Windows PowerShell and run it as an admin. And you need to just copy paste the command from the description below the video. And once you've copy pasted it, you just need to simply hit the enter. Once you hit the enter, your problem will be fixed, and you need to restart your device, and that's it. That's how you can fix copying too slow in Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.